The Sorrento floor plan, from 2,416 square feet to 3,133 square feet, offers ranch-style convenience with spacious, elegant design. A dramatic two-story family room with sloped ceilings is the heart of the home, seamlessly connecting to the foyer, dining room, kitchen, and breakfast nook, ideal for everyday living and entertaining. Add an optional sunroom with open fireplace for even more natural light and warmth. The private owner's suite features double tray ceilings and a large walk-in closet. On the opposite side, two secondary bedrooms share a full bath and powder room, offering comfort and privacy. While perfect for single-level living, the upstairs includes a fourth bedroom, full bath, and a large walk-in attic for extra storage. Family entry from the two-car garage includes a drop-off bench and laundry room. Third car garage option.